Understanding the phrase, pop one's balloon, in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and somewhat quirky English phrase, pop one's balloon. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Pop one's balloon is an idiomatic expression. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To pop someone's balloon means to disappoint someone or to bring someone back to reality by pointing out the flaws in their thinking or plan. It's often used when someone is overly optimistic or excited about something that might not be as great as they think. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in remembering them. The phrase, pop one's balloon, likely comes from the literal action of popping a balloon. Imagine someone happily holding a balloon, symbolizing their joy or excitement. When the balloon pops, their happiness is suddenly deflated. This imagery perfectly captures the essence of the idiom. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. Example in optimism. Jake was so excited about his new business idea, but when he realized the high costs involved, it really popped his balloon. 2. Example in reality check. I thought I aced the test, but the results popped my balloon. 3. Example in disappointment. Sarah was looking forward to the concert, but the cancellation really popped her balloon. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe a situation where someone's excitement or optimism is suddenly deflated by a dose of reality. When translating idioms into other languages, it's important to remember that they might not translate directly. Instead, think about similar expressions in your language that convey the idea of disappointment or a reality check. Share with us in the comments if there's a similar idiom in your language. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, pop one's balloon. Remember, English is full of such colorful idioms, and understanding them can add flair to your conversation skills. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.